RK Economy Online Classes. Today, about discuss about the Indian economy, NCERT syllabus, especially the civil service foundation courses now started today onwards. Then Indian economy at the independence, at the time of independence. Actually, Indian economy depend upon the 1947 before, 1947 before, then 1947 after, that discuss about that Indian economy. 1947 before, Indian economy, the ruling of the British government. And the time British government maximum they are wanted to or they are needed only is the from India to another countries. It is the transferred wealth. Wealth means is the our country number of natural resources have. The number of natural resources, how to transfer India to another country means it is the England. They are always thinking about that, thinking all rulers on the time. Then actually now low level economic of development. Economic development means the all sectors improvement. All sectors means agriculture, industries, and infrastructure development and services on the development very low. Because of on that time, British government low investment in the infrastructure. That means it is the roads, communication, power, health, education. These are all the focus. These are never focus on that time. Then, then Indian economic development before 1947 before 1947 after means 1947 before only low level of development in India. 1947 after, when the Indian government come to force, 1950 after that, the large amount of spending only the development of facilities. Then another than agriculture sector. Agriculture sector on that agriculture sector low productive are there. 1950s, it is the low level of productive sector. Why? Because on that time low it is the investment are there. All farmers, illiteracy people, they don't want to how to improve the soil system and how to improve the it is the chemical system. After that, 1947 after, the 1966 India introduced the Green Revolution. When the Green Revolution introduced, Indian economic system also development are there. Actual development depend upon the only productive factors. Productive factors means the land, labor, capital, these are all qualities, the productive factors. These are all productive factors depend upon the natural resources. Then capital investment, low level of improvement. Then the improvement is levels of scarcity. That is called agriculture sector 1950s only 50 million tons productive capacity. On that time, India population 36 crores. Surplus of goods nothing, but only it is the low level of capacity. Then foreign trade. When the surplus of goods produced on the time only foreign trade. Foreign trade means India to abroad means whatever it may be, any country. America, Canada, these are all countries. Foreign trade very low. Why? Because surplus of goods low, only our goods producing capacity, it is a comfortable place in the Indian people only. Next, demographic transaction, the condition. Demographic transaction means, demography means population. In the population period, 1951 to 1991, 81 is the largest population increase in India. Main focus, India, development of food grains. Food grains means how to develop the rice, wheat, other pulses, cereals, all goods are there. Then demographic condition, highly productive capacity. 1921 to 1951, very lowest population. But 1951 to 1981, large amount of population increases, that is called population expansion stage. Then other than occupational structure. Occupational structure means number of persons transfer from one sector to another sector. For example, in 1950, agriculture population, agriculture dependency population is a 72%. At the time of independence, literacy rate very low, only 18% literacy rate. In 2011 census, India literacy rate 74.04%. Now, decrease or increase means increase of the literacy rate. When the literacy rate increases, occupational change of the structure also changes. Literacy rate increases, then service sector also rises. Maximum number of people depend upon nowadays service sector. What is the cause? 1951 onwards, India focus on how to improvement of literacy rate in India. When the literacy rate increases, occupational change also changes. Then occupational change depend upon the literacy rate and other conditions also. Literacy rate improvement fastly 1991 onwards very rapidly changes in their literacy rate. Central and state governments have been given importance, main focus on how to development of primary education, how to development of higher education, how to development technical education. These are all education system. Human resource development on the dime situation are there. Then human resource development, automatically the occupational also changes. Nowadays, literacy rate that depend upon the all occupational structure. Then another than 1950 onwards, 1960s, 1970s also, central and state government also that depend upon the primary education system. The primary education system main focus on the rural area. Now I'm telling you truth, Indian people maximum living capacity in the rural area. Once upon a time, 90% population living rural area, 10% only living in the urban area. Now, 2011 census, it is the 58% only rural area, 32% only urban area. Then automatically number of persons dependent sector that changes. That is called occupational structure. Another one, infrastructure, very very important. First, every student known as what is the infrastructure? Infrastructure means the amenities only, roads, communication, power, health, education, and recent tourism, all is infrastructure. 1991 different, 1951 is the different. 1951, now discuss about 1951 about that. 1951, India literacy rate, the infrastructure rate very, very low. Why? That on that time, no wealth of the India actually depend upon the British government, the capital ratio. Actually on that time, main focus on only Indian government, infrastructure development, the focus on only urban area, not rural area. After 1991, rural area also infrastructure development in India. But now discuss about 1951, the independence at the time of independence period, how to development at the time of situation are there. It was situation very low, literacy rate very low, and other things also not development. Development activities also, it is the face of the scarcity of the capital. No investment are there. On that time, capital is very low. that governments also not focus on the development of infrastructure. But 1991 onwards, India infrastructure very development. But 1951 to 1991, very useful infrastructure development. Then actually, all sectors are there. All sectors, it is the development of infrastructure at the time of independence, it is the main focus on. The NCRT, all NCRT books, nowadays actually, NCRT syllabus main focus on the civil service foundation. Listen this video, like and please subscribe my video. Thank you very much.